Here I've got Motorola One Vision, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first let's open the messages, go to the new one, so click on Start Chat, and here you will find settings icon. So at first just take a look at the current keyboard. We are definitely set up with English, and tap on the More icon. Now go to the languages, click on Add Keyboard, and now from the following list, as you can see, it's super wide list, so everyone finds something suitable. So from this list you have to select the language that you would like to apply. Let me choose Yiddish, tap on Done, and remove English so it's not missing around, and that's it. As you can see, keyboard language has been changed, and now you can write in Yiddish. If you would like to change it again, just tap on the settings one more time and perform exactly the same operation. Pick the language you would like to apply, click on Done, remove Yiddish, and that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the previous language. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.